Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we are replacing the door seal on a Candy tumble dryer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure it is first disconnected from the mains. If your door seal has split and is no longer making a tight seal, it would allow hot air to escape through the door and stop the dryer working efficiently, and will need to be replaced. To get the correct part for your machine, make sure you get the model information off the rating plate here. Then go to the Buy Spares website to order the right part for your model. Pull the door seal out first by putting it towards you to remove it. Push the seal edge into the gap in the ring assembly and go all the way round. Then check the door closes correctly against the door seal. And there we have it, one door seal replaced on a Candy tumble dryer. For all the spares you need, visit the Buy Spares website.